How to turn on or turn off Bixby in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, you will see customized app is open. If you want to turn on or turn off Bixby, if you want to turn off Bixby, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bixby is turn off. If you want to turn on Bixby, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bixby is turn on. You will turn on or turn off Bixby from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bixby in customized app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.